A mother once said to me, "I love my dentist, but my child goes into a panic mode." If your child doesn't get along with the dentist, there's a chemistry that's not happening. Nobody is perfect. If the dentist understands that you want the best treatment for your child and he's not getting it at that dentist's office, a referral to a pediatrician makes a lot of sense. The pediatrician is a specialist who treats children where they don't manage to do well in the regular dental office. You don't want your child to grow up feeling, "Oh, I hate going to the dentist." Now, I know I'm being very prejudiced in saying that, but I sure don't like to hear it. If your child has a good experience, he'll carry that along for the rest of his life. Bad experiences ruin things.